everyone, welcome to another video. In this video we have my husband Dan cooking a healthy homemade pasta sauce. He put a lot of love in this sauce, so we hope you enjoy it. And if you want to see how he does it, keep watching. Shout out to all those who have subscribed to our channel. We appreciate it so much. We are now at 12 subscribers. Show Dan some love and hit that subscribe button. Also, hit the notification button so you never miss one of our videos. We upload new videos every Monday. We hope you will consider joining our YouTube family. How does it taste? That's it for this week, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, hit the subscribe button to never miss another video, and we look forward to seeing you on the next one. Have a great week. Bye.